and I have with me Tim Gurla as well, both of us from Eucalyptus Systems. And we're here today to go through a bit about our company and our technology, and we have a jam-packed session for you. We've got about 45 minutes from what I'm told. With that, let me start our session of an introduction to Eucalyptus, which is an open source, private and hybrid cloud solution for enterprises and service providers. So what we'll be going through today is a bit about our company. We're going to talk a lot about our technology as well. We have a use case to go through so you can get a real-world example as to what it is that we're doing for some of our customers. And then Tim is going to go through the architecture of the product, as well as provide a live demonstration of the technology so you can see it in action. And then we'll wrap up towards the end here. So briefly, an overview about Eucalyptus Systems. We are an open source cloud computing infrastructure company. We build open source private cloud solutions that implement private cloud computing inside of the firewall, but we also expose external APIs that allow you to leverage the public cloud environment, truly bringing that hybrid cloud solution to the enterprise. What our technology does is it uses local machines that exist currently within the data center, and our technology resides on top of those machines and turns those machines and data into a private cloud without modification. So many of our customers think of us as having Amazon in a box. And that is because we transform your existing resources that you've currently invested in today into a cloud computing system that emulates Amazon EC2. So it very much looks like you have an Amazon look and feel cloud inside of your firewall. And I'll get to the advantages and benefits of that here in a couple of slides. The two icons there on the bottom there, Amazon Web Services and Google App Engine, the reason why those are there, one of them, of course, is because we are Amazon compatible. The other is because there's another open source project called AppScale, which actually can run within Eucalyptus, enabling you to have platform as a service, basically a Google App Engine emulation, as well as infrastructure as a service in the same solution with Eucalyptus. A brief slide on our company facts. We are the creators of the leading open source platform in the market today. We were incorporated just over a year ago in January of 2009. We're out of Santa Barbara, California, and we received our first round of funding a year ago from Benchmark Capital and BV Capital. Benchmark Capital is the same VC firm that started such companies as Red Hat, Zimbra, Zen, and MySQL. So very familiar with open source technology, and it's been great to be able to work with them on our open source technology as well. Eucalyptus was actually born out of a research project that came out of UC Santa Barbara, right down the street here. The first release of Eucalyptus was released in May of 2008, and line 1 of code was written in early 2007. And so it was a professor and his graduate students and postdoc students that started up this research project. They had been building grid technology for a number of years and started up a cloud computing project because of a specific scenario that they had to deal with for the project they were working on, and ended up developing a cloud computing solution that can reside on the existing firewall or existing hardware within the firewall, and they titled it Eucalyptus. All of those postdocs and grad students, as well as the professor, have now since moved out of the university and are part of the company. So we often get asked, you're open source, how do you make money? Which is a great question. So our business model, I want to give this to you up front, is the reasons, the ways in which we make money. Professional services is one of them. We do a lot of proof of concepts for customers, full training, as well as full initial deployments of the technology as well. We also sell support services for our customers. And we also have a proprietary upsell edition of our platform called the Eucalyptus Enterprise Edition. This edition, we sell specific bolt-on technologies to the open source core. For instance, we have a specific product that allows you to integrate with your VMware infrastructure, and that's a product that we sell. The open source edition allows you to leverage Xen or KVM hypervisors as the virtualization technology, and you're free to, of course, use our open source product with Xen or KVM. But if you do want to use Eucalyptus with VMware, we sell a product for that. And we also sell a product that allows you to integrate Eucalyptus directly into your SAN storage for higher performance and scalability. We also have a product that allows you to build in high availability within Eucalyptus as well, so that you have no single point of failure in the cloud, and you have 100% uptime for your end users that are using that service, that infrastructure as a service. And then there'll be additional proprietary products that are built on top of that open source model.